Hey everyone! A couple months ago I did a video of my garden in the dry season, and I want to show you the difference now that it's the rainy season. So I'm at the back of my garden. Here's our palm trees growing up. You can see the new leaves are nice and clean and the other ones are shredded by the wind. So there's Moo Moo. Hi Moo Moo. And you can see, I don't know if you can tell how high this grass is. This grass is like so lush. It's like knee high. And like we have random flowers and plants growing. Like what is this? There's like a red leaf plant in there. Moo Moo has disappeared into our bush. This tree is amazing. I don't think it could have any more flowers on it. It is covered in purple flowers. It is so cool. This is our tree growing fruit. I can't remember the name of it right now. It's got some fruits growing in there. There's bees buzzing everywhere. Like literally I'm ducking under the shade. Look at all these flowers. Sorry, it's a bit of a mess, you know, as usual. The fern is growing. Our jade plants and our papyrus are growing. It's amazing, like the transformation. Like this was dust before and now it's just so lush. We don't have a lawnmower, so we have to get a lawnmower. This tree here had like 2 sticks on it, and now look at it. It's growing some fruit or something. I don't even know what this tree is. Flowers. The bougainvillea, I don't know how to pronounce that. And then this tree over here, I'm gonna watch for dog poop whenever I'm walking outside. This tree used to be barren, like not a single leaf. And now it's got the most amazing pink flowers on it that smell really, really pretty. And we're by the casita, the geraniums, the world's largest geranium. Look at that geranium in the potted plant. It's grown like a foot. Like literally I'll go away and see there's weeds over here that are as tall as me. It's incredible. And so it's been the rainy season for maybe a month now. And everything just exploded. This is a rose plant way up here. It's above my head. That's how tall it is. I think my rule of gardening is if you try and pull it out of the ground and it comes easily, then it's probably a plant you want. And if you can't pull it out of the ground with all of your strength, then it's a weed. Anyway, needs some work. But wow, such a big difference. Welcome to the rainy season in Guatemala.